In this video, I'll show you how to properly use our roof rack. And the best part? It can be installed in minutes. Let me show you. Step 1, open all the car doors. Step 2, place the pads on the roof with the anti-slip material facing down. The pads can be positioned in the center of your roof or off to one side. Just ensure they are aligned with each other. Step 3, wrap the bottom straps around your car's roof and thread them through the doors. Step 4, step inside your car and press the buckle with your thumb to open it. Feed the strap through the buckle from the bottom to the top, then pull to tighten. Double check if the strap is correctly inserted by pulling it from both sides. Step 5. Place your surfboards on the pads and secure them with the straps. Our rack can hold up to 3 surfboards, even with board bags or socks. Step 6. To eliminate any humming or buzzing noise while driving, simply twist the strap before threading it through the buckle. This breaks up the airflow. Step 7. You can secure the excess straps the old-fashioned way by clamping them between the doors, or you can use the Velcro loops next to the buckles. This will extend the lifespan of the straps. That's it, all done. Our roof rack is a great way to get your board safely to the beach. So, what are you waiting for? Get your own Hang 11 Surfboard Roof Rack today and elevate your board transport game.